PPC analysis is the process of evaluating the performance of your PPC campaigns by monitoring key metrics such as impressions, clicks, CTR, and CPC, and comparing them against your goals. This ultimately helps you understand where your advertising efforts are succeeding and which areas need improvement. To get started, follow these steps. Collect data from all the PPC channels you use. Ideally, automate this process to save time, especially if you analyze your data frequently, such as weekly or daily. Manual exports can get very time-consuming. Prepare your data. Often, the raw data you export from apps requires cleaning and preparation to be useful. This step is crucial to ensure accuracy and reliability in your analysis. Also, define your goals and decide on the metrics that will serve as your key performance indicators. If you'd like to try the OKR framework for PPC analysis, check out our dedicated video on the topic. Finally, decide how you want to present the results of your analysis. You can extract insights directly on a spreadsheet, or use ready-to-use templates for PPC reporting that display all the essential data clearly. This free template is powered by Coupler.io, a popular tool for PPC analysis. It collects all your advertising data in one place, transforms it, and loads it into the reporting platform of your choice, all in a fully automated manner. To set up the reporting dashboard, connect all the platforms you use by signing in with your account and choosing the appropriate ad account. While a lot of data is imported by default, each app has many additional fields you can export with ease. On the next screen, you can preview and transform your data, but this is often unnecessary. Coupler.io groups all campaigns into a common format to simplify your analysis. For Looker Studio, generate a data source and connect your data. You'll soon see a report with your data in it. If you prefer other platforms, we also have similar templates available for Power BI, Tableau, and Google Sheets. Try also a version of the dashboard with a separate budget monitoring tab and a standalone dashboard for PPC budget tracking. You'll find links to all these dashboards in the video description below. Now let's jump back to the Looker Studio template and see how you can use it for your PPC performance review. Say I wanted to closely monitor the CTR, CPM, and CPC of my campaigns. So if these metrics moved in the wrong direction, I could act quickly and adapt. Since it's Monday, I'd better check my performance from last week. Unfortunately, it doesn't look good. CTR is down by almost 15% compared to the previous week. CPM has increased slightly, and to my distress, CPC is rising at an alarming rate. This is not good at all, and I should probably dig deeper into the campaigns I ran last week to find out more. Now let's also check the data for the last month. This looks more stable, with the results within acceptable ranges. Maybe that week in July was just an anomaly. Let's see how things progress going forward. On another day, I want to focus on impressions and clicks. The daily chart doesn't reveal much about fluctuations at the moment, but switching to a weekly view shows an increase in impressions during the week starting on June 24th. To dig deeper into data from that week, I'll simply click on that data point, and the dashboard will filter all other charts accordingly. Such dashboards are excellent for split testing, where you run several similar campaigns to determine which performs best. Say I recently did this on Instagram. Let's remove from the comparison an unrelated campaign and have a look below where I now have the list of campaigns with the key metrics for each. I can sort by any of these metrics to identify the winners and understand what works best for my audience. These were just some ideas. With so much data at your disposal, you can find many other useful ways to analyze your data and extract valuable insights. Now let's talk about the PPC metrics that are definitely worth tracking. You definitely want to keep a track of cost-related metrics, such as CPC, CPM, or CPA, so cost per action or conversion. These metrics provide insight into the average cost of specific interactions. Monitoring them helps you compare campaign performance, assess profitability, and optimize your budget allocation. Click-through rates and conversion rates are also very important. CTR measures how often users click on your ad relative to views, while conversion rate shows the percentage of users who complete a desired action. Both metrics gauge ad effectiveness and user engagement. Impressions and quality score provide insight into ad reach and relevance. Impressions count how often your ad is shown, indicating visibility, while quality score assesses ad, keyword, and landing page relevance, influencing ad costs and placement. Finally, ROAS, or return on ad spend, reflects revenue generated per advertising dollar and indicates campaign profitability. It's a critical metric for understanding the financial effectiveness of your campaigns and optimizing your advertising budget. As well as all of this, there's certainly a lot more to explore, but I'll save that for another time. As a reminder, all the dashboards that I've showcased in this video are available in the description below. Choose the one that suits you best, set it up in minutes, and elevate your PPC reporting to the next level. And that's it. Now you know much more about how to analyze PPC performance. But if you do have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like, share the video with others, and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.